Hello and welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some high protein macaroni and cheese that's not very high in fat at all, tons of protein. First thing we're going to do is you're going to want to buy Bonanza shells. It's made from chickpeas. This right here is 190 calories per serving, only 3.5 grams of fat. Has 32 carbs, 5 grams of fiber in this, and 13 grams of protein. So you're getting 13 grams of protein just in the noodles by itself. So quite a bit for some noodles. You can probably find these. I found these at Walmart. You can find these at any of your local stores, or just something made from chickpea. You can probably find anything that's a different brand, but Bonanza is what I'm using. And we're gonna weigh up 2 servings of this. 1 serving is 56 grams, so we'll do 112 grams. Here we go, 112 grams. Bring your water to a boil. So we're gonna boil the water up, place our noodles in there, and then I'm gonna show you, after we get these noodles all done, how to make some cheese sauce to put on this macaroni and cheese. It's gonna be a lot less in fat from the cheese that we're gonna use. And this is gonna come out really high in protein, very filling. It's gonna taste pretty good. All right, so the noodles are just about done. They're almost ready to go. And then next thing you'll be getting together is some almond milk. And you use a cup of this right here, 30 calories per cup. And you're just gonna get 1 cup of this, and you're gonna put it in a small pan, boil it up to a light simmer. And then you're gonna get yourself some fat-free, mild, shredded cheese. You can use fat-free, basically any kind of cheese that you like on your macaroni. As long as it's fat-free, you're only gonna get 45 calories per serving. No fat, 2 grams of carbohydrates, and 9 grams of protein. So 9 grams of protein just in your 1/4 of a cup. All right, so it doesn't really matter what cheese that you like to put on this. Just make sure it's a fat-free cheese. All right, so noodles are done. Get myself a cup of the almond milk. All right, and then you'll bring this to a light boil. And then you're gonna add in your fat-free cheese. And like I said, with the fat-free cheese, we will be using 3 servings of the fat-free cheese. It's 28 grams per serving, so you're gonna use 84 grams of cheese. All right, there we go. 84. 84 grams of cheese. We'll just wait for that almond milk. Start with a boil, and then we'll add that cheese in there. Alright, so the almond milk starting to boil. Add that cheese in there. Depending on how thick you want, you could probably use a half a cup of the almond milk to make it a little thicker if you want your cheese a little thicker, or you can do a full cup. You can add more cheese if you want to add more cheese. Really to your preference on how you want to make your cheese sauce. Just make sure that you're using an almond milk, only 30 calories, and make sure that you're using a fat-free cheese. So we'll come back and get our noodles. Got your noodles in there. We'll add our cheese. And like I said, if you don't like it as runny, you want it more thicker, either add more cheese to a cup or just do a half a cup with 3 servings of the cheese. Alright, there's your cheese sauce, there's your noodles, and then lastly, you don't have to, but I'm going to add 6 ounces of chicken that I already cut up and already cooked it. So however way you want to cook your chicken. And I'm going to add this chicken to my macaroni and cheese. Give it some more protein. Make it more of a filling meal. If you don't like chicken in there, you can add some ground turkey, some lean 90-10 leaner ground beef. It doesn't have much fat, but there you go. Quite a bit. That's a hefty portion there. And what you're going to get from this right here, if you did it the whole way, same way I did it, used 4 ounces of the, or 2 servings of the Bonanza shells, be 380 calories. 3 servings of the cheese, 135 calories. Unsweetened almond milk, 30 calories. 6 ounces of chicken, 165 calories. So altogether it would be 711 calories, 71 grams of carbs, 13.3 grams of fat, and 88.5 grams of protein. So, I mean, there's tons of protein in this stuff. Definitely going to fill you up. Going to make you feel nice and full. Keep you full for quite a while. It has 10 grams of fiber in this also. And if you didn't want to do that and you just wanted to do the mac and cheese all by itself and make it that way, it would be 546 calories. So not too bad. Tons of protein. You would still get 54 grams of protein in that. 9.5 grams of fat and 71 carbs. And you would still have 10 grams of fiber because you're getting tons of fiber from the noodles. So if you wanted the mac and cheese all by itself, 546 and still 54 grams of protein. So again, thank you guys very much for watching my videos. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out. And you guys have a great day.